Hi, I'm Laura Anderson. I teach fine art and graphic design at Lincoln Land Community College. I wanted to give you an overview of Art 107, which is the Intro to Photoshop course that is about to start here at Lincoln Land. This is an 8-week course, and it's designed for beginners as well as those with prior knowledge of Adobe. So it's designed to give you just the fundamental skills that you need to create graphics and photo-based designs from start to finish using Adobe Photoshop. So during the 8-week course, you'll start off with an intro to the Adobe Workspace, just to kind of help you get your, way around what the interface looks like. And from there, you'll have weekly assignments that are designed to build on each other. So what you learn from week to week gives you added experience with previous knowledge, in addition to adding in new tools and new techniques every week. By the end of the course, you'll have a really good fundamental understanding of Photoshop, of the tools and techniques used to create photo-based graphics, and you'll also have a good understanding of the efficient workflows necessary for creating photo-based graphics. I think it's a really fantastic way to just kind of get your feet wet with Photoshop, and it's good for folks that just want to use Photoshop for your own personal use, as well as whether you want to be a graphic designer and go into this full time. It's a great course. I hope you'll join me.